Hi Libra, welcome to your reading, and this is for Libra June the 8th to June the 10th. And for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, and comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Hit the notification bell para po ma-notify kayo every time na tayo po gumagawa ng bagong video. And kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, meron po din sa kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Now, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At nagla-live natin po tayo doon. Kung gusto nyo sumali, by all means, no? You're welcome. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede po kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So Libra, I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Alright, so ang nakikita ko dito Libra is parang mas pipiliin mo munang bagalan, no? Bagalan itong takbo ng either relasyon or huwag mo nang magmadali, no? Dito sa relasyon na ito, madami kang priorities, no? Kumbaga sa'yo, mahal kita, oo, no? Kung kumbaga, kaya mong sabihin sa person na mahal kita, pero yung pagmamadali, either yung cohabitation, no? O yung living in together, proposal or marriage, pwede sigurong makapag-antay. Siguro proposal, oo, kasi pwede naman natin pagplanuhan. Pero yung marriage, I think, or building a family, I think it's much better to set that aside. Not only for me, but also for you. No? I think na meron din ditong, for a few numbers of you, yung mga nag, uh, meron ng choice, no? Yung nakapagsimula na. I think you're missing your person. And I feel like kahit naman merong separations dito or yung distance, no? Ang nakikita ko is you're dedicating, no? This separation for your person. Kumbaga, nag-iipon ako masyado. You know what? Sandali lang naman to. And I want you to know that itong ginagawa ko is para sa atin, no? With the chariot in here, so meron ng distance dito, pwedeng yung isa kakaalis pa lang, no? I feel like pwedeng ibang bansa, pwede rin dito lang din, no? Meron tong mga bagay na hindi masabi. I feel like may part dito na nakakaiyak, may part dito na parang hindi ko mawari kung saan nanggagaling yung lalim, no? Especially doon, I feel like, especially nung nasa airport na, no? With the full card, kailangan kong gawin ang mga bagay with the King of Cups. Hindi nyo lang alam kung ano yung mga sakripisyo, hindi nyo lang alam kung ano yung ginagawa ko dito para makaipon, no? I think na natsinachane yung mga bagay-bagay, yung pera, no? Nagtitipid masyado sa pagkain, no? I am not patronizing, but I cannot also say that's wrong, no? That works for them. Wala tayong no? Wala tayong say dito to judge, no? We're not in the position. But with the Queen of Cups, you know what? Kasi sometimes you really have to treat yourself, no? Especially kayo yung kumikita. So, with the Queen of Cups, the Ten of Cups, I feel like minsan naiisip mo, mahal ba ako ng mga taong nakapaligid sa akin? No? Kasi, bakit parang pakiwari ko, tagabigay lang ako? Ayun. I feel like, hindi naman sa, with the Five of Swords, hindi naman sa, ayokong gawin. Actually, ito yung gusto kong gawin. Makatulong, yun ang mag-provide. Pero, hanggang saan, hanggang kailan, with the Ace of Pentacles, ito nga yung pagpo-provide natin, no? Pero you're also searching for ways on how, makakita man lang din ng happiness when it comes to those that I am sharing, no? Probably I need to see either a house, no, na ito yung pinagpaguran mo, no? Nagpatayo natin or a small business, no? Or para dyan na lang tayo, sama-sama tayo. With the temperance and the tower moment, I feel like hindi pa pwede. Hindi ka pa pwedeng umuwi. There is still a lot of time that you need to spend somewhere else. Pero matatapos din naman to. I think that this is homesick. What I am seeing in here is now homesick si Libra. No? It doesn't matter kung nasa abroad or nasa kabilang kanto lang, no? Hindi natin maaano ang emotion. So, homesick is homesick. So, this is your reading. Let me know kung kayo nakaka-resonate. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Sagittarius, Pisces, Taurus, I'm seeing Scorpio, Cancer, Aries, Capricorn, no? And chances are this, yeah, yun po ang akin nakikita. So this is your reading for now. Again, Libra, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading sa akin sa kabilang channel po yun, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Magla-live din po tayo doon. Kung di nyo maabutan, pwede po kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So again, this is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you sa susunod na live or susunod na reading. Goodbye. You want the best of my heart, you just